I had this delivered yesterday. It's the Febi version of the M104 oil pump. I'm not aware of many, if any, other aftermarket brands still being available, and I'm not sure about the genuine. It's probably still available, but obviously it's going to be a lot more expensive. I didn't see many pictures showing the contents of the box. There are a few showing the pump itself, but always in the same direction. So here is just a close-up look of what the pump looks like if you choose to buy one of these yourself. One interesting thing on the pump, it actually says it's made in West Germany. I guess the memo about German reunification 29 years ago got lost in the mail. But nonetheless, it looks to be pretty good quality. I'm certainly happy with my purchase, and for the price, I can't complain. And obviously it does not come with the drive sprocket, so you either have to reuse your original or purchase a new one. I was aware of that. It's clearly shown in the pictures from when I purchased it. That's not a problem. And if you want to read any of this, you should be able to pause the video. It is recorded in 4K, so that shouldn't be a problem to be able to read this.